Hello everyone, welcome to Tenorshare channel. Have you ever encountered this situation? Your iPhone is locked because you forgot the password and kept trying the wrong password, and suddenly iPhone is disabled. Please connect to iTunes appears on the screen. This situation is very annoying. But don't worry. Today, I will show you how to unlock iPhone 6 or 6 SE without iTunes and password. Come and see it with me. Method 1. Unlock iPhone 6 or 6 SE using iCloud. The first method is to unlock your iPhone through iCloud. This method is suitable for users who have enabled Find My iPhone. Please follow the steps below. Open the official website of iCloud on your computer. Log in with your Apple ID. Find your iPhone 6 or 6S in the device list and click Erase iPhone and enter your Apple ID for verification. Click Erase to confirm the erasure. Note, once confirmed, your device will be reset and all data will be deleted. If you don't have the Find My iPhone feature enabled, you can use the second method. Method 2. Unlock iPhone 6 or 6 SEs. Use Tenorshare 4U-Key. 4U-Key is a third-party unlocking tool that can help you quickly unlock your device without a password. It is the best iPhone unlocker for all scenarios and can unlock all types of screen passcodes in minutes. You can find the download link below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer with a data cable. Open Tenorshare 4U-Key. Click the blue Start Unlocking button. Put your iPhone in recovery mode according to the software instructions. Press and hold the power and home buttons at the same time. Release both buttons after the screen displays the Connect to iTunes or computer logo. After the iPhone enters recovery mode, 4U-Key will prompt you to download the corresponding firmware to remove the password. Click Download. Wait for it to download. After about 5 minutes, the firmware download is complete. Click Start Removal. 4U-Key will start removing your screen password. Wait patiently for this process. Your iPhone will restart and complete the unlocking. After waiting for the restart to complete, your iPhone password has been removed. Okay, that's all the solutions and stuff about iPhone 6 or 6 SS disabled. Connect to iTunes video. I hope this video is helpful to you. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.